Guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. So today we are going to be looking at rndr or rndr. Rndr is currently at the $4.71 level. We are currently ranked at number 40 with a market cap of about $1.85 billion. And today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for rndr. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So rndr in the last 1 week is down a whopping 11%. And so without further ado, let us push right into the chart, right? So we are on the chart right here for rndr versus the USD theta. We are on the weekly time frame. Binance is the data source, right? And one of the things we can see right here for rndr is that we are expecting one more capitulation towards that downside. Basically, prices just push right here into this level of the $3.7 level before we see any sort of push to the downside, right? Because if we basically see, as you can see, the trending EM is flipped bearish right here on the 1st of July of 2024. And also, if we just basically look at our trending or our momentum chart, as you can see, momentum chart flipped bearish right here on 15th of April. Since then, we knew that the bears were in control and we were expecting a further push to the downside. And as you can see, since then, we have seen this sort of massive push to the downside right here for rndr. Basically, prices just pushing to the downside right here for rndr, right? And so rndr basically is seeing that push to the downside, and we basically, with a very high likelihood, could see that push continue, especially with one more capitulation move towards that $3.7 level before we see any sort of reversal signs, right? As the bears are basically still in control on the momentum chart. Also, if we basically just look at the volume chart right here, as you can see on the volume chart, we basically could see one last drop, as the next major volume right here for rndr basically is still at that around that $4.5 level. The daily chart shows us that we should be expecting our next major buy volume for rndr at around those $3.4 levels. You can see next major buy volume right here, as we are already losing this major level. Next major buy level is around that $3.5 level. As you can see, collaborating with the fact that we should expect one more push right here towards right here this $3.8 level right here. One last capitulation move before we see that push to the upside. Based on the volume chart, we could see prices getting to that level, as that is basically where we see our next major buy volume orders, right? So our next major orders at around that $3.5 $3.8 level, which we're expecting for rndr. So expect one last push to that downside before we see any continuation to the upside right here for rndr. So that's the update right here on rndr. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.